Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this update we are going to check out Polygon's price chart, and in this area now I am seeing some very optimistic signs. Let's go on 15-minute chart. Okay, if you remember in the previous update we were right in here and I was saying in Polygon we are going to have a move down soon. It's just the fact that maybe before that move down we're going to get another move on the upside and then we are going to have a decent move down. So what happened? This possibility right in here, and here's a very important point. I think we can all agree this move on the upside starting from this point is actually like a 1 2 3 4 5 wave impulsive structure. Let's just delete this one and draw it again. My mouse is a bit glitchy, I'm sorry. 1 2 3 4 5. Now on a higher degree, in my opinion, there's actually a good chance that this 5 wave up is actually into a wave 5. Here is how. This is 1 2 3 correction for 4 and 5 wave up into wave 5. And what happens after an impulse? You know what? A move on the downside. But the move down itself, we also said this in the previous video, is not really that important. What really matters is the shape of that move, because if we get a correction structure in here, we can be at that point extremely bullish and say maybe we are having a series of 1-2 in Polygon. You see, this can be a 1 correction for 2, and then what's gonna happen next? If this is in play, big move up into wave 3 4 5, which on a higher degree, this is gonna be into even a wave 3 and then correction for 4, another move on the upside into wave 5. Let's change the color so you can see it a bit better. So question is, can we say this scenario is in play? The answer I believe is yes. Let's summon more. Okay, you see, this move up is slow and choppy, which in my books is a very important characteristic of a correction structure. The question is, what's going to be a likely pattern for this thing? I'm thinking at the moment about an ABC in form of a zigzag, which is going to look like this. Let's just take this one. 1 2 3 4 5 wave down into our A leg, correction for wave B, maybe ABC, maybe WXY, maybe even a triangle, not really that important. Then another 1 2 3 4 5 wave down into wave C. Let's go on the live chart and count some waves. So I'm thinking starting from here, probably this is a 1 2 3 4 5 wave down, a very clear one. Followed by that, we can say maybe we are having a correction structure, and let's actually say that the end of our wave 4 was right in here, and this can be an ABC flat, and the end of our wave 5 is in this area. And well, okay, in that case, this is a very clear cut ABC in form of a zigzag, and I think we can say maybe this is 1, this is 2, and what's gonna happen next? We can consider another move down in Polygon into wave 3 4 5, and on a higher degree, well, okay, odds are at that point we have most likely completed the subwaves for a zigzag structure, and then we need to look for a move on the upside to start in this area. So you see, in the short term, we can expect another move down in Polygon, but then after it, I'm hoping for a move up in order to get a break of this important level, which the higher band of it is somewhere around, let's say, 19.1 cents. If we do that, great. At that point, we're going to talk bullish in Matic with a lot more confidence. So I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Polygon's price chart. Anyway, if you found any value in my content, I would really appreciate if you like this video and consider subscribing to my channel and follow me on Twitter. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.